If you're seeing Epic Games error code 402, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error often happens because of a connection issue, a launcher glitch, or something temporarily blocking Epic Games from signing in properly. The good news is you do not need any advanced tools to try these steps, and you can do everything yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Epic Games to throw an error like this, so start by making sure your internet is working properly. Open a few websites to see if they load normally, or try another app that uses the internet. If things seem slow or frozen, restart your router and modem. Unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and let the connection fully reconnect. Once your internet is back, open the Epic Games launcher again and see if the error is gone. If you're using a VPN, disable it for now. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games login and verification services, which may trigger error code 402. Turn off the VPN completely, then try launching Epic Games again without it. This is a very common fix, especially if the error started appearing after changing your network or location settings. Next, log out of your Epic Games account and then log back in. Sometimes the launcher session can get stuck or expire in the background, and a fresh sign-in can clear that up. Click your profile or account menu, sign out fully, close the launcher, and then open it again to sign back in with your correct credentials. After that, restart the Epic Games launcher. Even if everything looks normal, the app itself may just need a clean restart to refresh the connection and reload its login services. Close the launcher completely, and if needed, use Task Manager on Windows to make sure it is not still running in the background. Once it's fully closed, reopen it and try again, then test the login or action that was causing the error. In many cases, just one of these steps is enough to fix Epic Games error code 402. But if not, go through them in order because they often work best together. Start with the internet connection, then disable the VPN, then log out and back in, restart the launcher, and try again. These steps are quick, safe, and effective for most users. If you're still seeing the error after that, the issue may be temporary on Epic's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. Sometimes the launcher or authentication servers just need a few minutes to recover. Hopefully one of these fixes gets you back into the Epic Games launcher without the 402 error. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so I can keep making simple gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.